Welcome to CS285 online. So this is a 16-week course. I'm going to be your professor going through everything with you. I go by Dr. Sal. A little bit about me. I've been in the workforce for over 30 years, all different kinds of jobs from programming to building databases and server rooms and project manager. So I've done a little of everything in the tech world. I love technology. It's a great field. Every company needs it. So this is a MIS, Management Information Systems. That's actually what I have my undergrad and my master's degree in. My doctorate is in management with technology. But it's all about how do companies use technology? And what happens when we don't use technology correctly? What happens to the companies? That's what this class is about. It's a really interesting class. I've been teaching this class for years. I did just update the book. This is a Cengage book, so if you're having Cengage or one of your other classes, it is that same price, $119. We're going to use the ebook. Just click on the content page. You'll see everything there. Also, you'll see the syllabus there with everything that we're going to be doing. You can take a look at the syllabus. Each week, if you look at in Blackboard, I have each week is open for you to look at, and you can start working on things. But each week you're going to have a discussion question, at least one discussion question each week. The discussion questions you need to reply to by Wednesday night, your initial response, and then you're going to reply to at least three classmates by Sunday night. So the first week there's a video embedded. You're going to watch that video, write a one-page summary on it. It's the history of computers, where they started from, and it stops probably around 1990, 2000. So there's been a lot more advances, but the basic concept's there. You're going to learn the history of it. Write a one-page paper on that for week one. Also, you're going to have your introduction discussion question, which does count. You have the one question you are going to for week one. Class overview. You are going to have something called each week IT article. Actually, that is going to be your discussion question, if I recall. So you're going to find any article and you're going to tell us about it, summarize it, and then you comment on your other students, other classmates. So each week you can look at it. There's also going to be a quiz each week. And then in Blackboard, if you look at each week, I have it set up, what we're covering, Chapter 1, Introduction Overview, the homework that's going to be due, discussion question, a weekly assignment, and a quiz. Pretty much that's what it's going to be each week. I will be grading each week. So remember, there are due dates, so make sure you follow them. There's also rubrics. Look at the rubric. You are going to have a couple of other assignments. You have something called the movie paper up on the Google Drive. I will be posting a list of movies that you can watch. You can just put your name next to it. I allow usually 2 students to watch the same movie. And you're going to have a technology paper. Again, there'll be a list, and you can rate that. There's also going to be a team project. I mean, I'm going to break you up into teams, so at least write a paper. We'll see if we have to do a presentation. It would obviously not be live. It would be a recorded one. But I think this is something that I think companies are starting to do more of this. So we're going to see. I'll decide that a little bit later. Also, my office hours are going to be Monday 2 to 4 and Thursday 11 to 1. If they do not work for you, just reach out to me. I am going to send a link out to you, to everyone, with my office hours. You don't have to reply. Just let it sit on your calendar. This way, if you do need me, you just have to click on it. Usually I let some people delete it. Then later on they want to meet with me. Just leave it on your Google Calendar. It's not a big deal. I will reply. I will be checked. Like I said, I grade papers every week. What you see in Blackboard, everything is there. That weighted grade is your grade up until what we've accomplished. So make sure that you follow it and you check it. Matter of fact, I think every 4 weeks there's a check your grade. Well, that is part of your homework. I want you to make sure you know where you stand. Sometimes if I make a mistake, I apologize, but it's a mistake. Don't stress. Just keep working and let me know. You're always welcome to come to my office. If you want to drop in on my other class, I have this class we're meeting on in person in ALB 205, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 to 2:15. You're welcome if you want to come to class, I know you all want to be remote, so I'm not expecting many of you, but that option is there for you. You have your final also will be available to you as it gets closer. If you have any questions or comments or anything, please reach out to me. Again, I'm Dr. Sal, and I will be your professor. Thank you.